China chibichacho musako mutindi oyokorekana ime tauni ya Bosongo asaba nadimo bekita sendi ya Kisii Central betanana ase tauni ya Bosongo anene muno asokorigereria na koringo lya kati echiduka chiri chasekwa sogotekerania amachiko na marago ajagana iri gwikiraniwa iri gochaka konya ebinyigo byo gotindia gocha ase abananchi.
Okay, arrest. Sasa hata kama uko license huwezi kufungua saa kama the moment umekuwa inspected, sio unasikia? The moment umekuwa inspected uko umefungua that. Tunaelewana?
Korengana no more speedy wegeta seni ya Kisii Central omoske Isaac Kimwere igo atwerera na gotibabuna baringe kurigeria obware bwechiduke cyokura ase skuru kurigereria chiduke cyo senti bwate chi license echichiko banchira konya ebinyigo ebibyo gotinda gocha asa bamenyi bense meyo awo ase chiduka chinyinge cya seketu asokotekerania amachiko na marago nonyena bwego nigo batebire buna serikali chikwanchira chiduke chiko chikoenderera konya ebinyigo ebyo ase chinyinge chabere chigosekwa.
We started with the inspection and we've been doing the inspection. We have a team where I'm supposed to be a member, but I've appointed an officer to represent me because I'm equally engaged in the sub-county security committee where we are going around. All of us are here. We have the sub-county civil police commander. We have the SEC actually, who is now in the office of the DCC. We have the officer representing DCI. So this is a complete sub-county security committee. So we are going around confirming. We have bars and wines and spirit centers that have been closed. We are going around to make sure that if they were closed, they have really closed down. We want to see that they are closed down because the issue of being 300 to school, we want to be very strict about it. We want to be very strict about the issue of not having licenses because some of the pubs are operating without licenses. And their buildings actually, they have been marked closed. So we are going around making sure that it has happened. And if somebody is operating without a license, we are going to arrest them because the law requires that if somebody is operating without a license, that person will have committed an offense. Actually under the Alcoholic Drinks Control Act and also under the Kisii Alcoholic Drinks Control Act. So when we find somebody who has not fulfilled the requirements of those acts, then that person will be fit to be arrested and arraigned before court. Okay. So that is what we are doing now. Okay, the inspection committee, what has been doing has been closing the pubs, and the way they have been doing it is not the way we are doing it as the security committee. Today, before the end of the day, you'll hear of arrests, but the inspection committee was advising them and closing down their pubs. But now what we are doing, if we find anyone who was advised to close and he has not closed, then that person will be fit to be arrested. Because some of them, you find that some of them, they have not received the new, their license has expired and they have been invoiced. They are still in the process of getting the invoice. So you find that sometimes it is not their fault, but we want to find anyone who has been closed down. On Thursday, a total of 17 pubs were closed, and then a total of 28 pubs were again closed on Friday. Today we have now swung into action as the sub-county security committee team to make sure that whatever anyone was advised to do has actually done it. So today, before the end of the day, you will hear of arrests. Yes, because actually we are very serious on this. You very well understand that it is a government directive, and not only a government directive, it is in the law. It is in our laws, it is in our Alcoholic Drinks Control Act of 2010. It is also in the Kisii Alcoholic Drinks Control Act. So what we are basically doing, we are actually enforcing the law. We are not doing anything new. Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yinko ripotera ekitaseni ya Kisii hot kurwa akaunti ya Kisii. Rieteria nenyapto Dennis Huntu.